Students, second exercise, third question. Look at the pairs of triangles are given below. They given. Are they congruent? If congruent, write the corresponding parts. See the second one. First one completed before. Second one, POQ, ROS they given. Here 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. See what are congruent. Triangle. Second answer this one. Triangle POQ. POQ is congruent to triangle ROS. Observe the diagram. PO equal to RO and also PQ is congruent to RS. Congruent to or equal to. OQ is congruent to OS and angle P is congruent to angle R. Angle P is congruent to angle R. Means PO 3 centimeters, that OR also 3 centimeters, RO also 3 centimeters. Here PQ RS is congruent to OQ. OQ is 4 centimeters. OS also 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters is congruent to 4 centimeters. So these are all corresponding and angle POQ equal to angle POS. Observe that figure. Angle Q is congruent to angle S and so another one OR is congruent to another one. OR is congruent to OP. OR is congruent to OP. Finally, therefore, triangle POQ is congruent to triangle ROS. See that third and fourth one. Here ORDW. Here 4.5 centimeters, 3.7 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, 3.7 centimeters. So what are congruent? Here perpendicular they given 90 degrees. First one, triangle DRO. DRO is congruent to triangle OWD. OWD. Here DRO means 3.7 after 4.5. Here also OWD 3.7 after 4.5 like this. Congruent. And RO is congruent to WD. RO. Observe that figure. RO is congruent to WD 4.5 4.5 like angle ODR is congruent to angle DOW. So what are equal? That are congruent. And angle R is congruent to angle W. R congruent to angle W. And another one angle DOR is congruent to angle ODW. And in the figure total, in the figure rectangle, observe in the figure rectangle WORD, angle R is right angle means 90 degrees. WD equal to OR and WO equal to DR means what are equal, what are congruent. Therefore, that figure is rectangle means WORD is a rectangle. Means in that rectangle having two triangles. See here. Triangle WSD is congruent to triangle RSO. See that, observe that diagram. triangle WSO is congruent to triangle RSD. And also another one, triangle ORW is congruent to triangle DWR. These three congruent. Fourth one, here observe, here 30 degrees they given, here they given A, B, C, D. This is one of the trapezium. Here any one not congruent. Here 4 centimeters, here 7 centimeters. Means these two not congruent. Answer, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. ABC triangle and ADC triangle. These two triangles, observe here, AB is not equal to CD. AB is not equal to CD. So therefore triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle ADC. ABC is not congruent to ADC. These two not in congruence. Fourth question, which corresponding sides do we need to know to prove that triangles are congruent using the SAS, means SAS congruence. Here ABC 40 degrees, PQR here 40 degrees 5 centimeters, here also 5 centimeters, and third one they given here, second one, observe. First one, answer, here two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, the two triangles, BC is congruent to PQ. BC 5 centimeters, PQ also 5 centimeters. BC is congruent to PQ, and angle PQR is congruent to angle ABC. ABC congruent to PQR, and AB, side AB is congruent to side RQ. AB is congruent to RQ, like this, RQ. And finally, therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. These two triangles are congruent. Here 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 40 degrees, 40 degrees, means angle B is congruent to angle Q. So another one, here angle B congruent to angle Q. So finally, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Second figure, A, B, C, D they given, here 35 degrees, here also 35. In triangle ADC and triangle ABC, two triangles here, angle DAC is congruent to angle BAC. AC is congruent to AC. So AC only one diagonal, this congruence, that only as it is. AD is congruent to AB, BC is congruent to DC, and AC is congruent to AC. Like that. Finally, and AD is congruent to AB. Therefore, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ABC. Here observe that figure. AB congruent to AD, and DC congruent to BC, AC congruent to AC. Finally, triangle ADC is congruent to ABC. Means what are equal, that are congruent.